Welcome to the Keep It Simple training series on medical billing. In this video, we're going to talk about free medical billing software. Hi, my name is Janice Humphreys, and if you're interested in anything related to medical billing, please visit our website at medicalbillingguide.com. And if you're on a budget, be sure to sign up for our free email tips that will save you time and money. Just click on the link below this video to sign up. I receive a lot of inquiries from people asking what I think about free medical billing software, and since our goal at Medical Billing Guide is to save you time and money, not only did I decide to take a test drive, I went a step further and I set up one of my clients' billing on a free medical billing software program that will remain nameless. And what I found was that I had to use the mouse for just about every selection, like here and here. And for example, at the bottom of this slide, I did a search for the insurance Aetna. I tabbed over to the search button, hit enter, but then I still had to use the mouse to select the Aetna that I wanted to use. And for every task, I had to move from screen to screen to screen, which took too much time. So I found that to enter patient demographics, entering charges, and sending claims, not too bad, but posting payments, insurance follow-up, patient follow-up, and especially a patient account management, not that great. So the bottom line, too many mouse clicks, too many screen changes, not enough functionality. And what I also found was that too much of this can lead to this. Like most things in life, there's no free lunch because your time is money. So how about another test drive? We're going to look at some software, so if you haven't already done so, click the enlarged screen icon here at the bottom of your YouTube window. I've opened TotalMD Practice Management Software. This is the program we use in our medical billing service. You'll notice I said practice management software because this program allows me to manage my patient accounts, and that's where I spend most of my time. TotalMD is not free, but it's very reasonably priced and offers excellent training and technical support. So I first want to show you a little bit about the great navigation in TotalMD. Navigation is a really important feature in any software because it saves you time on mouse clicks and screen changes. So we're going to look at some of the hotkeys or function keys that save you from having to use the mouse. However, for this first opening of the ledger, normally I would use the F7 key, but because I'm recording this session, that F7 key is not available to me. But that's what I would do, is hit F7 and it would just open this ledger. And so I want to search for a patient. So I click on the F6 key and I start typing in the last name of the patient. I can highlight the patient, hit the enter key, and bring this patient directly into the ledger. If I tab into the chart number field, I can hit the F9 key and take a look at the patient information. Maybe there's something I need to add or change. In this case, I'm just going to escape. And then I can tab into the billing information, hit F9 again. And again, I can be adding in a diagnosis code or adding a referring provider, changing any information I need to. You'll notice these convenient, the taskbar on the side, it gives me the hotkeys, F4 to close, to add a note, F5. Now, if I wanted to take a look at the insurance company, here I could use the mouse. It takes me directly to the underlying table, and I can check on the insurance, see if it's correct. Maybe I might want to change that insurance. So any underlined field, I can get to the table. I can also print a statement directly from the ledger. I can view a claim. I can take this claim and fax it, print it, right from here in this ledger. But to me, the real power is in this part of the ledger here, where I can see the charges that are color-coded charges in black, adjustments in red, payments in green, notes in purple. Makes it very easy for me to see the information about how the payments are applied. If I wanted to pull an EOB, I can easily just double click on the payment, click the view, and this takes me directly to the deposit, so I can see the check number, the insurance carrier, the date, so I could pull that EOB if I needed to look at it. And that works the same way if a patient makes a payment and I need to go back and see what the original check was. I can also change the view here and just see the charges. So I'd like to invite you to go back and look at your free medical billing software and compare it to TotalMD, to what I've just shown you. And I think you'll see that free medical billing software isn't really free because your time is money. So be on the lookout and tune in for more how-to videos about medical billing, low-cost software, coding tips, finding jobs, or starting a home business on a budget. And remember to sign up for special email tips that will save you time and money. Just click on the link below this video to sign up. And be sure to stay tuned for more of our Keep It Simple training series on medical billing.